Okay, got the brisket on. Open it up here. I just got it on. It's not a real big brisket, probably around 12-13 pounds. So anyway, got the brisket on, and it's cold out here. It's about 34, 35 degrees here in Texas. Cool for us. Change it back to temperature drop while I had it open. I'm gonna be running it at 200 degrees, probably 4 or 5 hours, and then bumping it up to 225 degrees. The pellets that I'm using for this cook is just plain oak, 100% oak pellets, and 100% smoke ring cherry pellets. There's also some smoke ring oak hickory cherry and some char hickory, lumberjack char hickory. Those are the pellets that I'm using. It's a little bit of mixed bag of everything, but it was a bunch of bags that I had partial bags open and I wanted to use them up, so that's what's in the hopper today. And so got her fired up and going, and just about to get back to temperature. Didn't take long to recover, and it's really cool out here. The wind's blowing pretty good. So alright, that's it for now. Stay tuned to watch the rest of the videos in this brisket series, and we'll come back when it gets around 160 degrees, or when it gets in the stall. We'll wrap it up and continue on from there. So thanks a lot. Bob out. Just got to shoot a video of this nice smoke that's rolling out of here.